welcome to CKLA Unit 5, Lesson 19. Today we're going to identify verbs, verb tenses, and its vowel sounds. And we're going to change verbs into future tenses. Remember, a verb is an action or it's a form of be. So am, is, are, was, were are your forms of be. Now, what's the verb in this sentence? He wiggled his toes. Wiggled, good. Is the verb in the present or the past tense? The past, right? Because it's got that ed at the end. He wiggled his toes. What's the first vowel sound in the word wiggled? It's the first vowel sound in wiggled. E, good. They wait for the bus. What's your verb? Wait. It's a present tense verb. It's happening right now because it doesn't have that ed at the end. Now, what is your vowel sound in wait? Ate. It's a, good. She likes me. What's your verb? Good. Likes. Is it present or past? Likes is happening right now. It's our present tense form. What's the first vowel sound in the word likes? I. We asked for directions. What's your verb? Asked. Is the verb a present or past tense? It's got ed. That's your big clue. It's past tense. What's the first vowel sound in the word asked? Ah. I floated in the pool. Find your verb. Floated. Good. Big clue here. You got your ed. Is it present or past? Past tense. Awesome. What's the first vowel sound you hear in the word floated? Oh, good. We eat dinner at 6. Find your verb. Eat. Is it happening in the present or the past tense? It's a present tense verb. And what's your first vowel sound in eat? It's E, like in beach, right? Or EA, it says E. He cried. What's your verb? Cried. Past or present? It's past, isn't it? Because you've got that ED. We don't even need to really think about that one because it's already got that big clue. And what's your first vowel sound in cried? I. Now you can change action, verb, tense. You've been studying present and past tense forms of verbs. What does it mean if something is in the past? It means that it happened already, right? Yesterday, 2 days ago, 30 minutes ago, but it's already happened. The action has already happened. What does it mean if it's present? Present means that it's happening right now. It's a present tense verb. The future tense is made from adding the word will to a word. So, like in the action swim, I will swim, means that you haven't done it yet, but you're planning to do it in the future. So, the future tense, with most verbs, we add will to it. I will swim. The future tense indicates the action will happen at some time in the future. It is going to happen, but hasn't happened yet. The future tense is much more regular and much less complicated than the past tense verb. Now look at worksheet 19.1. You are going to write the present tense of each of the verbs. This is page 105. So what you can do, if you need to pause the video and find it, we're going to go over the top part together and then discuss the prompt that you're going to be writing on. All right, the top of your paper, we're going to change the present tense to the future tense. So we're going to add will to the verb to make it future tense. I swim, I will swim. I sleep, I will sleep. I fish, I will fish. I eat, I will eat. I dress, I will dress. Now you're going to respond to the writing prompt by describing things you will do when you grow up. Now these are all going to be present tense verbs because they have not happened yet. So all of your verbs are going to have the present tense form and they're going to have will in front of them. So like I will become a teacher. I will become a doctor. I will ride the highest roller coaster ever. Now you're going to try to write 5 sentences discussing what you will do when you grow up. Make sure that you use those present tense verbs. And don't forget, if you are a in-class learner, you're taking your spelling test today. If you are a distance learner, remember to study those spelling words one more day because your test is tomorrow. Now look at your I can statements again. I can identify a verb, verb tense, and its vowel sounds. I can change verbs into future tense. Now, tomorrow you're going to have an assignment in your distance learning folder or your Friday folder that's going to be changing the ending to the story, The King's Birthday. So, just kind of like what we've been doing all week, you're going to be looking at the ending of the story and how it could change. So, you're going to kind of get to use your imagination and predict some new endings. Have a great day.